This one pot meal is high protein, super filling, and costs about $2.25 per serving. Okay, this recipe is one I've been making a lot lately. It's high protein, it's high fiber, it's super filling, it's super easy, and it doesn't break the bank. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. I'm a registered nurse, and on this channel you're going to find plant-based recipes with a focus on protein. They're going to be simple and easy and delicious. This month I will be focusing on budget meals. I want them to be high in protein, I want them to be filling, I want them to be very economical and easy for you to make. And this recipe today is a one-pot meal, which I absolutely love. And as I said before, it's filling, it's easy, so let me show you how to make it. Alright, so I've got my nice big pot here, and I've got a little bit of water that we're going to saute our onions and our bell peppers in. So we're going to start doing that. And we're going to let these saute for about 5 minutes until they're nice and softened. Now while the green peppers and the onions are sauteing, we're going to rehydrate our TVP. So I'm just going to add a cup of water. And we'll just let this sit until we're ready to use it. Now if you don't know what TVP is, it's textured vegetable protein. It's just soy, people. That's all it is soy. Nothing to be afraid of. It's a great meat substitute, especially in tacos or chili, or like in this delicious recipe, my chili vegan mac. All right, these veggies are looking great. Now we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. More than a little bit, I like a lot of garlic. And we're just gonna let this cook for like a minute. All right, now we're gonna start layering some flavors. I've got some tomato paste. And I've got some spices. I have cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, and oregano. And again, we'll let this cook for just a minute or two. Now we're going to add in some lentils, some red lentils, which I have rinsed. And then of course our TVP, which is now nice and rehydrated. I have a can of fire roasted tomatoes. And I have 3 cups of broth, which I make with my chicken, not chicken bouillon. It's a lot cheaper than buying vegetable broth. The bouillon comes in veggie, or you could have not beef or not chicken. I like the not chicken. It just has a lot of flavor. So we're gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna let it simmer for a few minutes. We just want all these flavors to marry here. And of course we want to get the lentils to cook as well. Okay, this is looking amazing. Now we're going to add in a box of Bonza chickpea pasta. You can use whatever shape you want. You can use whatever kind of pasta you want. But the macros and the price breakdown is going to be the ingredients that I'm using here. So we're going to throw this all in. And you want to make sure that the pasta is covered with liquid. If not, you're going to add a little bit more broth or water. And then we're just going to let this go like 8 minutes, 10 minutes. I like to cook it al dente. If you want yours more done, then you do that. But we're just going to simmer this for 8 to 10 minutes. And it looks like I can get everybody submerged, so that's looking good. And this is going to be delicious. Oh boy, look at this. All right, let's plate this up and give it a taste. This looks amazing. All right, here we go. This is the actual serving size, okay? It is huge. So you could probably maybe even get 5 servings out of this. Let's give this a taste. Let's get in there. Oh my gosh. So freaking good. This is going to be great for me to have the next few days. Now you could add some hot sauce to that. You could add some nutritional yeast on top, or even a little vegan cheese, but of course that's going to increase the calories, going to increase the price. So just for this basic recipe, let me tell you the macros. It's 464 calories for that whole big bowl. 5.3 grams of fat, 79 grams of carbs, 34 grams of protein, and 18.4 grams of fiber. That is crazy. This is going to keep you so full. You're going to feel so good. So if you are trying to eat more protein, maybe you're trying to lose a little fat, eat healthier, save some money, then this is the recipe for you. So I'm excited to show you the other recipes that I've been eating and saving money. And they're all really simple. Most of them are pantry items, so it's nothing crazy or complicated. And this meal comes in at $2.22 per serving. Now you can't beat that. So much cheaper than takeout and so easy. So you can save money, you can save time, calories, all that. So nothing but good stuff. If you like this video, if you're learning something, I hope you like it and share it with your friends. I hope you like this budget meals I'm going to be doing this month. And if you're so inclined, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach my goal of 40,000 subscribers by my 70th birthday this October. And I'm really getting close, so I'm excited about that. And for those of you that have already subscribed, I appreciate your support so much. Be sure to check out the description box where I will have the full recipe and the macros. And I have some other resources down below, discount codes, my cookbook, my Facebook group. So check out everything in the description box. I think there's something for everyone. And remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.